Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy Fold series has been a bold and brave experiment in smartphone design. Samsung deserves all the credit in the world for pioneering the foldable form factor and taking a risk for all others to establish this new category. And it all started with a lot of promise and a big hope that foldable phones might soon replace traditional phones. Tech research firm Canalys estimates that foldable phones make up for just around 1% of total smartphone shipments in 2023. Samsung accounted sells roughly 15 million folding phones per year, which is roughly around 80% of all foldable phone sales. There are good reasons for that. The price has not fallen much, quite the opposite, it has gone up with the Fold 6. Worst of all, Western markets have sealed themselves off of the competition, making it oh so comfortable for Samsung to drag its feet with innovation. The most glaring issue with the Fold design remains. The cover screen is way too tiny and particularly narrow for comfortable use, while getting to the main screen still requires two hands. This design basically guarantees that most simpler tasks will be done without unfolding the phone. Some stats peg the percentage of cover screen use at 70%, while the larger main screen was only used for 30% of the time. Samsung has obviously heard those concerns, as the cover screen on the Fold 6 has grown a tiny bit wider. But that is merely lip service to the cause and not nearly enough. Another big issue remains the Fold's thickness. When unfolded, it's undeniably impressive, with that big tablet-like screen. But when closed, it's a chunky gadget that bulges awkwardly in your pocket. We weren't too stressed about this 5 years ago, but it is downright disappointing to see the same issues still persist today. You would think this would have at least the benefit of a bigger battery, but no. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 still has a 4400 mAh battery size, while both alternatives from Xiaomi and Honor have a battery size of 5100 mAh or more. Knowing that sleekness and portability are so important for a foldable phone, the Fold's dimensions are a significant drawback, and Samsung needs to catch up. The Fold's camera system is another area where Samsung needs to step up its game. I firmly believe that photography is one of the main use cases for a folding phone. The big screen just elevates your pictures. The Fold 6 is an incredibly average camera. The hardware is not the only problem, but we can probably all admit that we would love to see a longer zoom range. The software, however, has lots of room for improvement. We keep on talking about Samsung's vivid colors, and the company is constantly tweaking them, but there is a much better solution. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.